In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your WordPress theme to WP Engine step by step. This straightforward guide is perfect for anyone looking to make the switch smoothly and ensure everything works as expected. Let's dive right in by starting where it all begins, your current WordPress dashboard. Go ahead and log into your site. This is your control center where you can manage all aspects of your site. Make sure you know your login credentials. If not, now is a good time to ensure everything is updated and secure. Once you're logged in, the next important step is to grab your theme files. Head over to the Appearance section in the left-hand menu and select Themes. Here, you'll find an option to export or backup your current theme files. For those comfortable with a more technical approach, you might prefer downloading the files via SFTP. This backup acts as a safety net, ensuring you have all your resources ready to move. With your theme files securely backed up, our journey takes us over to WP Engine. It's time to log into your WP Engine dashboard. Once you're in, select the environment where you plan to host your WordPress site. Choosing the right environment is crucial as it dictates where your theme will ultimately live. Next, we need to establish a connection between your local files and the WP Engine. This is done through SFTP. Within the WP Engine portal, create or copy your SFTP credentials if you haven't already. This protocol allows you to securely transfer files and is a must when dealing with sensitive data. With your SFTP set up, the next task is to upload your theme folder to the WP Engine server. Specifically, you want to navigate to the WP content/themes/ directory. This is where all theme files reside, and by placing your files here, you're effectively allowing WP Engine to recognize and implement the theme on your site. Heading back to WP Engine's dashboard, return to Appearance, and then Themes. You'll now see your newly uploaded theme listed alongside any others that might be present. The final step in this upload process is to activate your theme. Simply click Activate next to your theme, and WP Engine will take care of the rest. Once your theme is activated, it's crucial to thoroughly check your site. Look over the layout to ensure everything appears as it should. Verify that all plugins are functioning without a hitch and that there aren't any compatibility issues with the new environment. Your end goal is a seamless transition with no disruptions to your visitors' experience. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to migrate your WordPress theme to WP Engine, setting you up for success with a reliable and high-performance hosting solution.